Hello everyone, I'm Lubna Frehat. Today I will discuss my presentation about AI assisted user manual creation. This is the topics in my presentation. Let's start with the first slide. This presentation explains a study that looked at how AI, especially ChatGPT, helps in writing user manual for appliances. The study was done in a university class where students test how well AI can follow technical rules. Such a human correction is needed. The research focuses on real tasks done by students and real problems they face when using AI. Explores whether AI can write user manuals that are safe, clear, and useful. User manuals must follow strict rules, and the study wanted to see if AI understands these rules. The researchers watched how students interact with AI and which parts the AI struggle with, such as reading image, writing warnings, and keeping a structure. The study also showed how students react to the mistake that AI made. The project was created with students. They were asked to write a short essay related to their field. The main task was to identify any content, then revise and improve the text to meet the proper technical writing standard. Same steps professional technical writers use. First, they asked ChatGPT to create the manual section. Then they checked if the AI followed the safety standard, used correct warning labels, and gave the right steps. Many students found missing detail, wrong terms, incorrect formatting, and no device-specific information. They had to rewrite and recognize the text to make it match the real standard. This helped them understand how much work goes into technical writing. Several weaknesses in AI performance. ChatGPT couldn't correctly interpret PDF image of the Blender. Some warnings were wrong, such as using danger when the risk was low. Instructions were sometimes too generic, not specific to the Blender in the picture. The AI added steps that did not exist in the real device. It sometimes copied the student's prompts wording instead of giving original instruction. These issues show that AI does not fully understand real object or safety requirements. The prompts is extremely important. The students who wrote long and detailed prompts got much better results. For example, when a student included the safety standard name, the AI followed it more closely. But when prompts were short, the AI wrote vague or incorrect instruction. The study also found that when the student uploaded a picture or PDF, the AI often invented details because it couldn't read the image. This proves that promoting is not just typing, it's a skill that affects the entire quality of the manual. Once humans were still necessary. Students had to recognize entire section, rewrite safety warning, fix formatting problems, and remove incorrect information added by AI. The study pointed out that the AI cannot ensure compliance, safety, accuracy, or correct warning categories. Students realized that human judgment is essential, especially in documents that can affect user safety. The human role become more about checking evaluating and correcting AI output rather than writing from zero. Using AI and a human together. AI is helpful because it quickly produces a first draft, which saves time. But the draft is not perfect, so humans need to refine it. The researchers explain that AI is changing the job of technical writers. Instead of writing everything themselves, they now supervise AI, improve its output, and ensure that the manual meets all safety and quality requirements. That AI is a useful tool, but not a full solution. It helps with the speed and structure, but it cannot fully understand safety standards, image or device specific requirements. A human experts is still necessary for accuracy, clarity, and safety. The best manuals are created when AI generates the draft and the human apply technical knowledge to finalize it. That's it. Thank you for listening.